In this video, I will show you how to stop auto payment on Apple services so you can cancel subscriptions and prevent future charges from Apple apps or services. This process works directly from your iPhone and only takes a few minutes if you follow the steps carefully. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the very top of the settings screen, tap on your name to open your Apple ID settings. This section controls everything related to your Apple account, including payments and subscriptions. Once you're inside your Apple ID settings, tap on the option that says Subscriptions. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your active and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple account. If you have multiple subscriptions, they will all be listed here in one place. Find the Apple service or app subscription you want to stop and tap on it. After opening the subscription details, you'll see information such as the renewal date, pricing, and billing cycle. To stop auto payment, tap on Cancel Subscription. You may be asked to confirm your choice, so confirm the cancellation when prompted. After cancelling, the subscription will no longer renew automatically. You'll still be able to use the service until the end of the current billing period, but no future payments will be charged to your account. That's how you can stop auto payment on Apple services directly from your iPhone by managing your subscriptions through your Apple ID settings. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.